Hey everybody, Victor with that Victor dude. We had a little surprise today on our porch. I've got my YouTube plaque. So we're gonna open it and see what it looks like. What do you think, Bubba? You think we should open it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got a little guy in here. He's excited. He wants to see it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing and see what it looks like. First off, I want to thank everybody for all their love and support, for always watching my videos. But we gotta not forget, we gotta thank God first and foremost, because He makes all things happen. We can't forget that. So thank you, Lord, and thank you, people who watch. Here we go. What does it look like?
Oh, it's black.
Oh no, it's got a cover on it. Nice, nice. Comes with its own little piece of paper here. Oh, come on out of there, sucker.
Oh my gosh, that is so nice.
What do you think? Thank you to everybody. It says presented to that Victor dude for passing 100,000 subscribers.